Imagine creating high-quality videos without expensive software, without editing skills. Well, today I'm going to show you 10 powerful FRE AI tools that are helping creators produce viral content faster than ever before.
But here's the problem. Most beginners don't know which tools to use or how they actually work. So in this video, I'm not just showing tools. I'll explain how each one works, when to use it, and why it matters. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start creating content using AI. Let's begin. Tool 1. CapCut. First, CapCut. Now, as you can see on the screen, CapCut is designed for simplicity, but don't underestimate it. This tool is packed with AI features that can replace traditional editing software. For example, you can import your clips here and instantly use auto captions, which saves hours of manual work. Then there's text-to-speech, where you can turn your script into voiceover, and even background removal without using green screen. You also get ready-made templates, which means you can literally create viral-style videos in minutes. If you're creating YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks, this tool alone can handle most of your workflow. For beginners, this is the easiest starting point. You must try it yourself and make your first video. It's really amazing. Tool 2. Pictory. Next, Pictory. This tool is a game changer, especially for faceless content. Let me show you how it works. You simply paste your script here, and Pictory automatically breaks it into scenes. Then it adds relevant visuals, stock footage, subtitles, and even AI voiceover if you want. You can edit each scene manually, change clips, adjust text, or customize styles. This is perfect for educational videos, storytelling, and YouTube automation channels. Instead of editing everything manually, you let AI build the first draft for you, and then you refine it. It saves time, effort, and energy. It has voiceover, selection of images, uploading of images, and much more for creation of amazing video. Tool 3. VEED. Third, VEED. VEED is an all-in-one online editor, and one of its strongest features is subtitles. As you can see here, you upload your video, click Auto Subtitles, and it generates captions instantly. And not just basic captions, you can style them, animate them, and make them visually engaging. You can also record voiceovers directly inside VEED, trim clips, add music, and apply filters. What makes it powerful is convenience. Everything happens in your browser. So if your goal is fast, clean, professional-looking videos, VEED is a great choice. It creates high-quality video and animation. Tool 4. Canva. Now, most people think Canva is just for thumbnails or posts, but let me show you something powerful. Inside Canva, you can create full videos using templates. You start by selecting a video layout, then simply drag and drop elements, text, images, animations. And now, Canva also includes AI features, like generating text, images, and even content ideas. For beginners, this is extremely helpful because you don't have to think from scratch. Everything is structured for you. This is perfect for presentations, explainer videos, and educational content. Canva is improving its AI features and video creation. You must try it. Tool 5. HeyGen. Fifth, HeyGen. Now, this tool feels like the future. With HeyGen, you don't even need to appear on camera. You select an AI avatar, enter your script, and the avatar speaks it naturally. You can choose different languages, voices, and styles. This is extremely useful if you're camera shy or want to create professional-looking content quickly. Businesses use this for training videos, marketers use it for ads, and creators use it for faceless channels. It saves time and still looks high quality. You can make your own avatar by uploading your picture with uploaded voiceover audio. Let me ask you something. Are you still spending hours editing videos manually? Because the next tools I'm about to show you can completely change your workflow and make your content stand out instantly. Don't miss this part. Tool 7. Meta AI. Next, Meta AI. Before creating any video, you need ideas and scripts, right? That's where Meta AI helps. You can use it to generate video ideas, write scripts, create hooks, and even plan content strategy. For example, you can ask it, Give me 10 video ideas about AI tools, or write a viral script for beginners. And within seconds, you get structured content. So instead of struggling with what to create, you can focus on actually creating. Think of this as your brainstorming partner. Meta image creation and image to video gives maximum free facility to its users and do its job done within seconds. Tool 7, Leonardo AI. 7th, Leonardo AI. Now, visuals matter a lot in videos. Leonardo AI helps you create high-quality images using simple text prompts. For example, you can generate thumbnails, backgrounds, characters, or scenes. You just describe what you want, and it creates multiple variations instantly. This is extremely useful if you don't want to rely on stock images. It gives your content a unique visual identity. Its colors are amazing and high quality as well. For YouTubers, this is a powerful tool for thumbnails and storytelling visuals. Tool 8, Whisk AI. 8th, Whisk AI. Sometimes the biggest challenge is not editing, it's creativity. Whisk AI helps you generate ideas, concepts, and creative direction. Let's say you're stuck on what visuals to use or how to structure your video. You can use Whisk AI to get suggestions, outlines, and creative inspiration. It speeds up your thinking process. This is especially helpful for beginners who don't yet have a strong creative workflow. It gives full video with background music and exact animation as per your demand. Tool 9, Runway ML. Now, this tool is one of the most advanced tools on the list. Runway ML allows you to do things like remove backgrounds, generate videos, and even edit scenes using AI. For example, you can replace a background or generate completely new visuals using AI models. It may take a little time to learn, but once you understand it, the possibilities are huge. This is more for creators who want to level up their content. And finally, Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is perfect for turning written content into videos. You paste your blog or script, and it automatically converts it into a video format. It matches visuals with your text, adds transitions, and structures everything for you. This is great for educational content, business videos, and social media posts. It simplifies the entire process. Here's the truth. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need advanced skills. What you need is consistency and action. These AI tools are here to make your journey easier, but success still depends on you. Start with one tool, practice daily, and keep improving. And now I have a question for you. Do you want me to create step-by-step tutorials showing the practical usage of each of these tools? If yes, let me know in the comments. I'll create detailed videos to help you learn faster. Until then, start creating, stay consistent, and keep growing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to give feedback.